Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Reni here, and I hope you're doing well. I have a video for you guys today on how I take care of my hair. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Reni here, and I hope you're doing well. On this channel we talk about Christian faith, we talk about lifestyle as well as natural hair. Today I want to talk to you guys about some hair goals that I have for my hair, as well as some things that I do to make sure I'm protecting my hair under this protective style, okay? Because we cannot neglect our hair even though it's being protected, because is it really a protective style? But yeah, so if you ever struggle with figuring out how to protect your hair, how to make sure that your protective style is actually being effective, maybe you suffer with like dry scalp, dandruff, anything else like that, you definitely want to make sure that you keep watching this video. You also want to make sure that you are subscribed to this channel because you don't want to miss the other videos that I have rolling out. Like, what are you doing? So yeah, definitely make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. I had like a really long day and my hair, my scalp, oh my gosh, it cannot stop itching. It's so bad. It is so bad. It's so bad. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna take it down because like y'all don't understand how badly this itches. And it's like really bothering me. So I'm gonna take her down real quick. My scalp is just dry, and like when you have dry scalp, it tends to flake up, and especially when you're protective styling, you have to be very, very careful with your hair because you can cause breakage in a protective style that is not protecting your hair anymore. The point of a protective style is for you to protect your hair, and it's not a protective style if you're not taking care of your hair that's underneath that. So just letting you guys know. So for me, I still take care of my hair no matter what the style is that I have in. So like thankfully I have these locks. They're super lightweight. I could like manipulate it any way that I need to. I wouldn't recommend scratching your scalp, especially when you got nails like these. Do as I say, not as I do. But after a really long day and your hair is itching like crazy, you have to make sure that you're taking care of your scalp. So I usually put like the Dark and Lovely tension tamer on my scalp because it really helps like with the dryness. It's like a serum that you're putting on your scalp that helps with like any tension that you might feel in your hair. Thankfully this is tension free protective styling, but sometimes when I do like a updo or like I wrap my hair, I do something different with it, I'm manipulating my hair and that could cause some tension. So I like to go in wherever I'm feeling like any tension. I usually go in the middle because I always have a center part in my hair, and I try to make sure that I have some kind of protection in the middle because I'm not trying to lose hair in the middle of my head. I'm just not. So I go in and I do that, and then like if there's any other parts that like, okay, I just moved this, I feel like a little bit of tightness here. It's not like super tight, but the reason I love this is because it has peppermint and avocado oil in it. So that tingle and all those good feelings, it's great. The only thing is that it doesn't necessarily help with the itching. It helps temporarily, but not like major. And then I also have from my friend Tumani, my friend Anawa. She has a company called Tumani Hair, a special signature formula. I'm gonna share like pictures and like the links below so you guys can access these items. But I like to take some of this and I put it all over my hair because it smells so good. It has carrot oil in it. I don't know all the other oils. I think it has castor oil. It's just like a really nice blend of different oils, and it does help my scalp not feel like dry anymore. And putting all these products is beneficial because hello, dry scalp equals itchy scalp or flaky scalp, and we don't want that. We don't need that in our lives, especially not in 2020 or 2021 or moving forward. So like I put this in my scalp, and I've used this even without like natural hairstyle. Like this is like when you have protective styles in your hair. But this one I use it like all year round no matter what, because like I just love it. It smells so good. The biggest things that I like to do though whenever I really feel the itching, like, and I try these other products to like put back in some of that moisture and to protect my scalp, and it does not work, it's still itching like crazy, I grab my spray bottle. I make sure that it has a little bit of warm water in it. So I already have this filled with some warm water. And then I get my apple cider vinegar. Don't judge the bottle. It's been going through a lot. But like, this is what I grab. My all natural apple cider vinegar. And then I try to pour, not the same exact amount, but almost. A little bit more than the water that's in here. Just because this really helps with your dry scalp. So like, we have our water, and then we're just gonna pour the apple cider vinegar. Like that much is actually perfect. So just a little bit more apple cider vinegar than the water. And they become the best of friends. I'm kidding, they really don't. But like, you just shake it all up in there until it's like to your liking. So we shake. Hey, we shake. Oh, and make sure you close this part so it doesn't like spill on you. All right, so you shake it, it gets all bubbly and, you know, looks like a little champagne. No, not really, but I guess it looks like, I don't know what it looks like, but it doesn't matter because it works. So then you have that, and then you smell it and you're like, ugh. No, it really smells bad. I'm mad I did that to myself. Like, I know it smells bad. Why did I smell it? That I hate the scent. So I grab my eucalyptus oil, which just does wonders for my hair. Helps with my like stress relief and stuff like that. It's really good. And I also grab my peppermint oil, which also helps with like scalp irritation and like the relief of your scalp. Also with like any dryness and itchiness and all these wonderful things. So I don't even estimate, I guesstimate, okay? So I'm just gonna open up the eucalyptus oil, and this one doesn't have like anything, it's just like straight pour into the bottle. So we're just gonna take some and, oops. I was trying to show you guys how much I was pouring into it, but I can't do it like that. So like, I just pour a decent amount and let it sit there for a bit, and then I go and I grab my peppermint oil. The eucalyptus oil smells real strong, but good. Strong, good. The thing about this peppermint oil is I have to shake it because peppermint oil is very strong. So like, they have this kind of protection on the cover. You see it? So you gotta kind of like turn it all the way upside down and then like tap it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. That was like 2 big drops and like some tiny drops. And then whatever else doesn't want to like stay, I like grab it and I just like put it in my scalp. So you got your oil, you got your apple cider vinegar, and you got your water, right? So once you have those things, you are all set. Because the apple cider vinegar and the water is like a cleanse for your hair. It also helps with like shine. It helps make your hair shinier, which is awesome. That's what you want. But then the peppermint oil and the eucalyptus oil helps with the itchy scalp and the dryness and stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna go in and deal with now. So I'm gonna do my hair section by section. I like to just push all my hair to the front or to one side, and then move them one by one. Make sure that you have this thing actually closed, because right now I don't have it closed. And then I'm just gonna start in the back and just spray as I go. So first, undo this. Right, so spray it, and then you just bring your hair down. Like, you can do 2 at a time, 3 at a time, it really doesn't matter, just as long as you're getting those sections. I'm just gonna pay attention to your hair. See the things that it needs and it wants and it's asking you for. Like, your hair asks you for things. Like my scalp itching, this feels amazing on my scalp, and it really, really helps with all that itching. And I can honestly just go in like this one day and just be like, you're itching right over here. Let me just do this section. Or right over here, let me just do that section. And I already have it in here, so like this is gonna last me another week or so, right? Because I don't need to put it in my scalp every single day. Like, it does wonders. I know it's protective style season. I know that you're doing all these things to your hair. Please, please, please do not neglect your hair. It's so very important that you don't neglect your hair, because at the end of the day, you want your hair to grow. My goal for next year is for my hair to be, you know, here, waist length. So since that's my goal, I know what my temptations are when it comes to my hair. Like, I really want to straighten my hair, and if I do, because I might still straighten it, if I do, I'm gonna make sure that I'm the one doing it and I'm not using too much heat. And I'm obviously doing the straightening of my hair to do a length check, but also to do a trim, and see how I can get to my goal for next year. But also I'm gonna make sure that I'm deep conditioning my hair consistently, especially when it's not in this style. Of course, I can't deep condition right now, but it's okay. I am taking care of my scalp. I'm putting my apple cider vinegar with my oils in my hair. My scalp is not drying out as it used to. But one of the really cool things that I've learned is that whenever you're getting these kind of protective styles, your hair can also be allergic to the chemicals that are in the synthetic fibers that are in like synthetic hair, or braiding hair as we call it. And the stylist that did my hair, she actually offers services that if you want her to wash it in advance, offers that as a service. If you would like, she can rinse your hair before you get it installed. And I didn't really think too much of it, but recently I feel like my scalp has been really dry, and it's been like horrible. So I had to, of course, go and make my apple cider vinegar rinse. And the main reason that I was able to make this was that I knew that apple cider vinegar and water were like great as like your leave-in, or your not dry shampoo, it's like a leave-in shampoo kind of thing, like a hair cleanse, but you didn't necessarily need to wash it out. But I also didn't like the scent of the apple cider vinegar, so I was like, what do I have? Peppermint oil. And I was like, I have eucalyptus oil. I have no idea what I can use it for. I know it helps like with your like stress relief and like, you know, sleeping and those kind of things, but like, why else should I use it? And so I was like, let me do my research, let me look up like the purposes of these kind of things. So when I looked it up, I was able to see that, of course, you guys know peppermint oil really helps with like your scalp, like tingling, and promotes hair growth, all these other things. But with eucalyptus oil, some of the benefits of it is that it helps with like, it's antifungal, and it has herbal properties, which means like it stimulates your hair follicles. It improves hair health. It also it fights dandruff and like dry scalp. It stimulates the scalp. So like, it has all these amazing properties that like really help promote hair growth overall, because if your scalp is being stimulated, if your scalp is not dry, and you know, it's fighting dandruff, it allows for the sebum that naturally is in your scalp to continue to be exuded, like, so that it can reach your strands, and then eventually your hair will grow. So my goal again is waist length by next year, the end of the year. We're gonna get there. I know we can get there, and that's my goal. So I'm gonna continue to work on my hair because it's pretty close to getting there. Maybe I need like another 6 inches, so I'm like, not even 6, maybe another 4 inches. So that's why I really want to do a length check next year, but I also want to work towards getting to my goal next year as well. What are your hair goals? Make sure that you comment it down below, because I do have a giveaway, and that's part of my giveaway. So stay tuned so I can give you guys the instructions. So for my giveaway, I will be giving away to 1 lucky subscriber for my channel. You will be able to get the Tumani hair oil, 1 of these bottles, and you'll also be able to get a free, you'll be able to get a free install of your very own phone. Yes, I said free. Like, in case you didn't register. So, yes. My friend is offering a very lucky subscriber access to getting a free install, and I'm also gonna throw in this hair oil because it does amazing things to my hair, and I believe it's gonna do amazing things to your hair as well. In order to be entered for this prize, you of course need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. You also need to follow her hair page on Instagram as well as my Instagram. So I'm gonna link both of them, Faith Inspire Studio as well as PrincessReni on Instagram. And then just comment below this video what is your hair goal for the new year. Are you just starting over? You just want to keep your short look? Are you planning to grow your hair longer, waist length, butt length, knee length? What's your hair goal? Shoulder length, like, do you have a hair goal? Maybe just to have your hair natural, healthier. Maybe you're transitioning, but now you want to go and be healthy. Maybe you're going to get locks. Like, I know some girls that are planning to just be locked up. Like, that's it. Just have all their locks and not have to worry about their hair anymore. That's fine too. But like, make sure you comment down below what your hair goal is. We would love to hear from you because you do not want to miss this. A free install? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, amazing. So can't wait to see you guys. Tell us what you guys are planning to do with your hair in the new year, and also can't wait to choose the lucky subscriber. Thanks again for watching this video, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell button down below so that you're always notified whenever I post a new video. And I will see you guys on the next one. Be blessed, spread love, and stay beautiful inside and out. Bye, guys.